What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rivalz network token. Ticker symbol is RIZ, R-I-Z. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing, probably many big central exchange listings, starting February 21st. And we're going to go over the Rivalz network token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, they have a webpage, Rivalz.ai. It says, introducing Rivalz, the world abstraction layer. Rivalz network is building the world abstraction layer. Our infrastructure abstracts the complexities of connecting AI services and agents to various real-world resources, enabling seamless interaction and unlocking the full potential of an agentic-centric future. So, this token here, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, at Rivalz_AI. It says, powered by a dual-chain infrastructure with Dymension and Arbitrum. And then in their new listing, it says the network that this token is on is Base ERC20. It will be paired with USDT on this exchange, but it says here, world premiere, new listing. The Rivalz network token will be listed February 21st at 13 hours, 1 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Kucoin. I'm sure there's going to be many other exchanges that pop up in the future as it gets closer to the listing dates, probably Gate and MEXC Global and you name it, it's probably going to be listed all over the place. Very big project. You can see they have 415,000 Twitter followers, and it is pretty far from the 21st. That's in about 4 days. So I'm sure more listings will pop up. So if Kucoin's not available in your area, just wait. I'm sure it'll pop up here, especially if it's on Base. You'll be able to get it on Uniswap anyways. But one way you could get the token, if you don't have a Kucoin account, you could download Kucoin from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search RIZ, R-I-Z, and then simply just buy the token. The Rizzler. We bring the boom. So yes, their webpage is Rivalz.ai. It says here they use they have Rome Swarm Protocol. Rome is a tokenized swarm protocol leveraging the mass orchestration of resource-backed agents. They have OCY Deepin Data Module, which is an AI native data layer powered by a decentralized peer-to-peer node network that enables secure data processing, storage, and retrieval. ADCS Connectivity Module, the first AI oracle allowing for dApps to request AI data and agentic response in a verifiable way. Nostrings Identity Module. It's an identity and resource mapping module that allows users to create artificial intelligence agents and map out the resources that they have to access, such as digital assets, personal data, physical resources, and human labor. They have Vord, the application module, the AI app module serving as the AI and Web3 platform for creating and publishing AI applications, enhanced with agentic systems, secure RAG, and access to real-time data. It caters to both no-code builders and developers, offering tools for fast publishing, monetization, and integration of custom SDKs. So they go over each one of those things that I just mentioned in more detail. It says, building the AI native economy. AI is evolving beyond models. It's becoming autonomous agents that need resources, coordination, and financial systems to operate at scale. Rome is building the first AI native economy where any resource-backed tokenized agents are agents that can be staked, borrowed, and participate in swarms. These R agents can be staked towards projects to form swarms. Swarms utilize the staked R agents, effectively operating as agent collectives. Swarms therefore become operators of mass agentic collectives backed by real-world social capital, compute power, and more. Rome also introduces agentic DeFi, creating an economic layer where users can lend, stake, and earn from our agents. With Rome, humans become the backbone of a new ecosystem where agents and swarms grow towards a self-sustaining AI economy. Rome is built as one of the modules of the Rivalz world abstraction layer, utilizing its other pieces such as UCY, AI native data layer, and ADCS, the AI oracles. So let's get to the token here. You can go over, if you want to go over like the OCY data, the no strings, the VORD, all that other stuff, that's all on their white paper. But the token, the RIZ token, is the native cryptocurrency powering the ecosystem, serving as the backbone for a wide array of functionalities and incentives within the platform. Its utility spans multiple facets, ensuring seamless operations, incentivizing participation, and enabling governance within the ecosystem. Now, they can use it for transaction facilitation for gas fees, node infrastructure for our clients, validator Z nodes, node ecosystem dynamics like upgrades, rewards, overtime. More types of community-run nodes will be introduced, covering mobile and web users, storage data ecosystem, and Intel market, so storage payments, AI applications, pay RIZ token for secure storage on the Rival network, market transactions, VORD AI application modules, agentic data coordination services. They have the data intelligence paid for with the RIZ token, and you could use it for Rome, for payments, regulation systems, restaking rewards, trading fees, and governance. They also have a very lengthy roadmap that you could check out. But the step coming up is the 21st. It will be listed all over the place, including Kucoin and many others. Stay tuned. Maybe Kucoin's not available in your area. I'm sure they're going to list more exchanges as it gets closer to the 21st. So follow the Twitter in the corner of the screen. Have some new Central Exchange referral codes down there in the description box, including WEEX, if you haven't tried WEEX, Our Bits down there, MEXC Global, Coinbase, we got CoinEx Global down there. We even have some stock trading apps where you can also trade crypto, like WealthSimple Trades down there for Canadians. But if you're, in the US, you could try Moomoo, or you could try Webull. Those are down there as well. Tons of awesome referral codes in the description box, including a new X, a new Twitter that I just made for this channel. You can follow me on there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.